Coming to you from the Next Weather studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia drives Chevy.
Next weather meteorologist Dagmar Midcamp joining us right now with a check of the forecast and the potential for severe weather, right?
Yes, exactly. So what are we looking at here? Well, a couple of things. Really, the biggest threat for us will be the flooding potential, especially in those low-lying areas. You know who you are. Anytime it rains, even a quarter of an inch, you've got some of those storm drains that just don't drain properly. That's going to be an issue for you. So looking at what we are seeing currently, well, we do have just a system that's sweeping across the U.S. So looking at our watches and warnings, this is coming at you from the south and the southwest, and then moving up to the north and northeast. Where we are here currently, Georgia and much of western and central and northern Georgia is under the flood watch. So that's our primary threat. That does not mean, and as you see there to our west, we got a couple things going on. The yellow is where you're seeing the tornado watches. Then you've got that orange embedded there, and just a few moments ago, that orange indicates a severe thunderstorm warning. Within that, we are seeing a tornado warning. Now that's most likely Doppler radar indicated, and it's still quite a way away from the Georgia border, but that doesn't mean that that system won't hold together long enough to make it all the way towards us. So ending up seeing, just kind of taking you through the overnight hours and what to expect and when to expect it. So really, I'm going to break this down for you here into a couple of chunks of the radar moving through. So from now until 11 p.m. tonight, taking our time sweeping through this, you're going to notice that this rain approaches from the north and from the west, and you're going to end up feeling moderate rain, at times just some light sprinkles, but of course individual isolated pop-up thunderstorms are likely. I'm not talking about the big supercell kind with the long track tornadoes, the EF3s, 4s, and 5s. That doesn't mean that we are not looking at the potential for an EF1 or a 2 out of some of those isolated cells. So this is looking at that 11 p.m. hour. Now we take you all the way through 11 p.m. tonight, continuing until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we still have the chance for overnight pop-up cells in the mix, mostly light to moderate rain. Isolated heavy rain is possible underneath some of those pop-up cells. So we'll continue to see that rain moving through in the overnight hours and kind of fading away. By the time you do get to around 2 p.m. tomorrow, you're looking at mostly clear skies. Temperatures tonight still in the mid-50s into the mid-60s. Temperatures for tomorrow, you're still looking at anywhere from the upper 60s into the low in the mid-70s. And then your temperatures all the way through the rest of this work week. This system passing through is going to cool you off nicely. So the mid-70s for you Thursday through Friday. Still isolated showers, lingering sprinkles through your Thursday, maybe through Friday as well. And then you're looking at more rain on the way for you now. Look at your Saturday, your Sunday, and your Monday. So showers and another round of potentially severe weather rolling through as well. And it will finally be your Tuesday and Wednesday that the sunshine that you were so longing for does return, along with some warming temperatures. But one system at a time. So this next one that's approaching from the west and the northwest, yeah, the biggest threat with this will be the potential for flooding. We're also looking at the occasional pop-up severe thunderstorm. So that's, of course, something we're going to keep you posted on in real time.